Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another upload. Please like the video, please subscribe if you have not subscribed, share, tell a friend to tell a friend. Today we're going to be talking about an incident, not even say an incident, a robbery that took place in Mandeville. You get me? Over 4 or 5 gunmen attacked the Brinks at the bank. You see me? And this go on yesterday in a Mandeville, you see me? I watch the video, viewers and subscribers, and then give a take on it, you know?
No, brother, and get flat. You know, see, man, I'm a pump rifle, man, I'm a rifle, man, I'm a M16. I'll be a 2-gun, man, I'm a chopper, brother, blind. No. They might come like a shoot to bomb. No, no, man, I don't be there, no, brother, and get flat. You know, see, man, I'm a pump rifle, man, I'm a rifle, man, I'm a M16. I'll be a 2-gun, man, I'm a chopper, brother, blind. No. They might come like a shoot to bomb.
Yes, viewers and subscribers, let's have a conversation on this video. You get me? For a big man note, viewers and subscribers, this happened yesterday down a Mandeville, you see me? In the afternoon, when the rain did fall a little bit. You get me? Alright. You so much gunshot, I don't even see how much gunshot fire, viewers and subscribers. No, be honest. When you hear how much gunshot fire, and the next thing too, when we want to look upon the viewers and subscribers, look upon the traffic. Look upon the amount of vehicle right there so in a traffic and so much shot of fire. So yeah, tell me, so the Brinks man them are them gunman are they not shoot nobody. Nobody in the traffic then get shot in them car. Cause the man them just sit down in them car so to blood clot to that traffic boy. And bullet just fly all about. But me not lie still, as me I can tell, so this is well planning of viewers and subscribers. You get me? If I lie me I tell, and leave in the comment section also what you think about this whole situation. You get me? Cause remember, you know, everybody have to eat, you know. The Brinks man have to eat and you know them man have to eat as you can see. Cause the man them have some real high power rifle. You get me? Even the man them we have video. The man them we have video, you know. They might enjoy it for a little bit until one of the gunman them glimpse them over there. Or in just turn. And when the man turn, them duck or BA shots start ring out. So as I say, viewers and subscribers, when you see some things like these, you need to be careful. You get me I say? Why these robberies, you know? This robbery right now remind me of the one who go on at St. Mary, you know. Nah, lie and tell you, you know. Yeah, man, it remind me of the one who go on at St. Mary, man, with the Chinese people. I don't know if you remember the one, the viewers and subscribers. But me remember that little robbery they were going where them say police and everything. But yeah, so not look like police, I believe. Yes, I look like known criminal. Man, them get the hit, they low down and say, yo, yes, the Brinks man them there, you know. Yeah, man, I approach them to them, man. No doubt. You see me? Be shot the dog, them go there and fire up. You might tell all the brother there in the reflection jacket. Buckler, him brave, you know. You see him run go for the money, man. Man at the reflection jacket, run go for the money. You see me? And he look like say the real top shooter where did so. Are the youth in the black shirt and the one in the red shirt. You get me? And them look like the real top shooter right there, so. You get me? But the youth in the vest where you can see reflection, them man they are brave. Cause that's what him do. Him run go for the bag of money, you know. 2 bag of money the man them getting of viewers and subscribers. Jesus Christ, I hope everybody alright till he brings man them life. I hope them life alright, you know. And you see man with iPod rifle like them have viewers and subscribers that are secure any money at all, leave it alone. Me I tell you, cause your life more worth it, brother. I tell us your life worth it more. So would advise any man, leave the money alone when you see certain gunman come with certain iPod rifle. Walk away if you want to live. You see me, don't be a hero. Superman only act in a movie, you know, in a real life. You get me? Yeah. So leave it in the comment section, viewers and subscribers. What want to think about this video? And if you have reached this far in the video, please like, share, subscribe if you have not. God bless everyone. Thank you for watching. Until the next one, I am out.